$975.38 from one 11-minute video over on YouTube, and this is really simple. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you the exact process of making money online with YouTube, because it's not difficult, it's not hard. And as you've seen over here, would you spend 11 minutes recording a video to earn this amount of money over here? I'm probably sure you would do. Now look, this process to earn money over on YouTube is not difficult. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be on camera. You don't even have to talk yourself if you don't want to. So today I'm going to walk you through all of this, and I'll also drop a link down below to my free YouTube course, because this is just one method, and in my full YouTube course it walks through everything from start to finish. But if we jump over here, I just want to share with you just how simple and how potentially powerful this method is. So you can see on here, look, this is the video. It's earn money reading books. I've earned nearly $1,000 for this, and if we see down here, look, this video is nearly 3 years old, and yet in the last 48 hours it's still receiving views, which means I'm still earning money from YouTube AdSense, which is pretty cool. Now if we come back over here, I just want to share this with you as well. So I've just been going through my channel here and looking at different videos and which ones have been getting the most views in the last couple of days. And you can see on here, look, this one from 2019, this one here 2019, 2019. Come further down, we've got 2018, 18, 2021, 18. And you see, this is one of the reasons why I always talk about making money over on YouTube, because you can start today for free. You can create a video, you can put it over onto YouTube. It may not do anything for a couple of months, but down the line that can start to bring you in a semi-passive income, because we've done the work previously. And as you can see on here, like these videos here, like this one, all of these ones from 2-3 years ago, I've not done anything for it, yet they're still getting views and they're still bringing in a passive income. And if we also take into fact some of these videos are where I'm recommending and sharing products, then I'm also earning affiliate commissions. Okay, but you see here, this amount of money for an 11-minute video, it's awesome. I think you'll agree. And if you want to go ahead and check this out, you can do. But basically for this method, all I'm doing, and this is what I did at the beginning of my YouTube channel, I would go over onto Google like this, and you can see here I've just typed in websites that pay you to read books. Okay, and then all I've done is I've gone down here and I found some different websites. So look, get paid to read, 17 legitimate sites that pay reviewers. And look, people are actually interested in this, they want to get paid. So I'll share another example of this with you. So let me just type in get paid to read books. If I come here and I'll show you this, look, 3,600 people every single month are searching this over on Google and YouTube. So there's a demand for that. So, if you can create a short video like I've done over here, you can potentially earn money and get that video in front of people. This is just one example, because when I first started this channel, a lot of the different methods I shared in the beginning was, how to make money reading books, Amazon, eBay, etc, etc. All I'm doing on here is I just say to people, you can get paid to read books. In fact, here's a couple of websites that will pay you. And all I'd do here is I'd scroll through, I'd find a website, I'd click on here, and then I'd just talk people through the process. And I say, look, this is the website, you go here, you do X, Y, Z, the company's been, do a little bit of research, the company's been around for a number of years, and genuinely that is it. All I'm doing is I'm just walking them through different websites which will pay them to read books. Sorry, let me get rid of that. And genuinely, that is this whole process. So if you like the idea of earning money on YouTube from putting out simple, 8 to 10 minute videos, you can absolutely go ahead and make money with this process that we're looking at today. And it's not just, reading books. It's, it can be anything. So if I just go ahead and type in ways to earn money online, type this, look, 14,800 people a month are searching for this search term. And normally you get this, online surveys, paid for searching the web, online marketing, starting your own website. I'm sure you've seen many of these lists before. So, there is a demand out there, and people nowadays, instead of going over to, this article here and sat reading it and going through it, they'd rather come over onto YouTube and watch a video. And you don't have to be on camera. You can literally record over the top of the screen like I'm doing here. You can have, let me just move that. You can have your face on camera if you want, or you don't even have to do this. And all we do is we just find these different opportunities online where people can actually get paid for doing simple tasks. And all we do is we just show them the process. We show them the websites. A lot of the time you can just come onto any of these articles over here, read through them, and literally just come down and pick out a few ideas. Sorry, let me get rid of this. God, these websites. So if I come over here, let's get rid of this. Just scroll down here, look. This is a way you can make money online. This is another way. This is, and look, and you say, look, get paid to chat with people. These are the websites which will pay you. This one over here, this silk thread, you go over to the website and you just talk over the website. There's other ways that you can do this. You can also do things like, PowerPoint and templates and things like that. But this whole process of making money over on YouTube and online, it's not difficult. It comes down to a couple of things which I'm always talking about over on this channel. It's effort and consistency. And if you can literally just stay consistent with your efforts, whether you're wanting to make money online with YouTube, blogging, affiliate marketing, whatever, it doesn't matter. We just need to stay consistent, and you can start earning, as you can see here. If somebody would have said to me, look, you can earn in the UK, you can earn over £800 for putting out an 11-minute video, I'd have thought it was absolute nonsense. But as you can see here, I have done. And then I also earn, money in other ways. So if I click on details and I go into here, look, I've got a recommendation here for making money online. If I scroll further on the page here, I'm sending people over to, my blog. I've got a free affiliate course. I've got a free YouTube course and lots more. So this is just a couple of different ways that you can make money over on YouTube. And let me share with you a couple of different resources now that you can go ahead and use. So if you wanted to, go down this method, I'll show you a piece of software. It's called this one here. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. Now over on here, look, there's a free video. It's a free video editor. There's a screen record and there's a plans on here. Now this is not expensive by any stretch of the imagination. If I scroll down here, you can see, look, $18 for a complete year. Now if I come down here for $18, it gives you a video editor. You can record your audio, import narration and music. You can draw. Look, you can do lots of stuff with this. There's a deluxe version and there's also a premiere version. And literally, you can just go with the deluxe version over here. And all you can do is, as I've mentioned, you can just talk over the top of your screen. And even if you didn't want to talk, you could just do a PowerPoint presentation. Or you could go, a step further and outsource it and have someone, read the script for you. But I wouldn't recommend it. I genuinely wouldn't. I'd just go with something as simple as this and just record. And look, I've spoken about making money online. But, if you was into anything like, let's just say, how to stop, well, let me go up here and let's just type in something like, how to stop your baby, I don't know, waking at night, for example. Look, how can I prevent night wakings? And you can go in here and you can literally take like an article like this and you can put this into your own words, okay? And you can just go down and you can highlight the points like this one here, T, then have a read of this, and you can put this into your own words. You can, and literally you can go through all of this. Another resource that you can use is this one over here, and again I'll drop a link to this below for you. It's called InVideo, okay? And again, this is absolutely for free. So you can come over here and I'll show you this now. If I scroll down really quickly, and where's it gone? Pricing, we'll see over here that again, I mean, they do offer paid plans. I have the the expensive one, this one over here. But look, you can go with the free version. Inside of this software here, they have video templates, they have images, they have automated text-to-speech, and you can create 15-minute long videos inside of here completely for free. So again, I'll drop a link to this down below for you, but these are just a couple of options for you when it comes to creating videos over on YouTube. And I wouldn't let I wouldn't let the thought of being on camera put you off, because if I'd have let the thought of going on camera a few years ago, I wouldn't have been earning passive incomes in many different formats. But it's an awesome method. It's simple, it's easy, and as you can see on here, a video that you put out today could be bringing you in money many years down the line. So look, if you like this method, check out the free YouTube course down below. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.